Hi, this is Asif watching Mr. Ernst channel on YouTube. In this video, we have a topic on intensity. Intensity. The sound waves transfer energy from the sounding body to the listener. So the sound goes from the sounding body to the listener. The intensity of sound depends on the amplitude of sound wave. So one thing is sure that the sound wave transfer energy from one place to another, from the sounding body to listener. So the intensity is also depends upon the amplitude of the sound wave. Sound energy passing per second through a unit area held perpendicular to the direction of propagation of sound waves is called intensity of sound. Intensity is a physical quantity and that can be measured accurately. The unit of intensity of sound is watt per square meter. So next we have intensity level. Sound intensity level. The human ear responds to the intensities ranging from 10 watt meter per square to more than 1 watt meter per square, which is loud enough to be painful because the range is so wide. Intensities are scaled by factors of 10. The barely audible and the faintest intensity of sound, for example 10 watt meter per square, is taken as reference intensity called zero bell, a unit named after Alexander Graham Bell. The loudness of sound depends not only on the intensity of sound, but also on the physical conditions of the ear. The human ear is more sensitive to some frequencies than the others. The loudness of a sound is directly proportional to the logarithm of intensity. So logarithm of intensity, as you can see, loudness is directly proportional to the logarithm of intensity. So L here is equal to constant log. Next we have where K is a constant of proportionality. Let L be the loudness of the faintest audible sound of intensity and L be the loudness of an unknown sound of intensity. We can write this is the loudness of the faintest audible sound of intensity, then constant we have, then logarithm, and then next we have loudness of an unknown sound of intensity. Subtracting equation 11.1 and 2, subtracting them, we're gonna learn that this is normal L and this L. Next we have normal log, this log, this is constant, this is equal to, this is equal to, and all after this we have K log normal I, normal I and I. So here this difference between the loudness L of an unknown sound and the loudness L is called the intensity level of the unknown sound. Therefore the intensity level of the unknown sound is given by intensity level is K logarithm simple I and this I. So next it also intensity level log I and this is well. Next intensity level 10 log normal I and dB. So you can read these all. Here we have example. Calculate the intensity levels of the faintest audible sound B resulting a level. So solution है intensity level of faint audible sound can be calculated by substituting normal I, and we have this I is equal to 10 watt meter per square in equation. We have 10 log So this dB, so we have is equal to 0. So let's see, we have as the intensity of rustle of leaves is this, therefore density level due to rustle of leaves 10 low dB. So we have this answer. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.